If you look at this question now, x is equal to whole root of 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3, then what's the value of x square into x minus 4 the whole square? So I can first reduce. See, in maths there is a convention, okay? Irrational number should not be in the denominator. If you go by this convention, then I'll say 2 minus root 3. Inside the square root only I'll rationalize the denominator. So I'll write here 2 plus root 3 and 2 plus root 3, correct or not? So x is equal to whole root of 2 plus root 3 the whole square. 4 minus 3 will be 1. So divided by 1 this is under the root. So I can write x is equal to 2 plus root 3, right? X is equal to 2 plus root 3. Now here the question is asking, see, 2 plus root 3 the whole square into 2 plus root 3 minus 4 the whole square. So what is this answer that we get? 2 square plus root 3 square plus 4 root 3. What formula we have used here? We have used a formula like this: a plus b the whole square, that is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is the formula used. Into root 3 minus 2 the whole square. So your answer to the question will be 4 plus 3 plus 4 root 3 into root 3 the whole square, plus 2 square minus of 4 root 3. So your answer to the question will be 7 plus 4 root 3 into 7 minus 4 root 3. So what is this formula? A plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b form. A plus b into a minus b will be a square minus b square, right? A square minus b square. So your answer to the question will be 7 square minus 4 root 3 the whole square. So 49 minus 48. So your answer easily will be equal to 1. This is the answer.